Amrita and welcome back to my channel. So the first thing first I want to say is that yes, I am feeling very proud of myself that finally I am keeping my zeal going up and I am being quite regular here on YouTube. At least I am trying to post 1 or 2 videos in a week. So yes, for keeping that flow going, I am here with another video, and this time I do have a product review video, and I have got these 3 products from Plum. And as you guys know that Nykaa is having their hot pink sale from 23rd of July to 27th of July, and Plum has got very exciting offer for all of you. That is that they are giving 20% off on their product, and as well as if you shop for rupees 999 you will also get a Plum Kajal free. So just to tell you guys, like, this Kajal is just so beautiful and so amazing. So I have restocked my favorite Plum products and I am gonna talk about these only, and I will also try and explain like how to apply this and what is the special features of these products. So yes, without wasting any more time, let's quickly jump into the video. So before talking about the products, let's talk about something about Plum as a brand. So if you guys know that Plum is a 100% Indian brand, which is so good. Like, at this point of time, we should always invest in our own Indian brands. And secondly, it's 100% vegan, and also their products are not tested on animals. They are paraben free and also free from sulfates and other harsh chemicals. So I truly love Plum as a brand, and these days I am investing quite a lot of my time in doing my skincare because we are at home and we had a lot of time to pamper ourselves and also do some good skincare. And like, I am trying to be little away from makeup. Like, apart from filming a YouTube video, I even don't apply any kajal if I am at home. So yes, now let's talk about the products. Product I'm gonna talk about is their E-Luminance cleansing balm, and you get it for rupees 545, and the total amount of product is 90 grams, so the amount is also very good. And again, as I said, they are 100% vegan, not tested on animals, and also free from any harsh chemicals. So basically it's for cleansing, and you just have to apply it onto your skin and rub it for good 1 minute, and it will emulsify on your skin and will get in the form of oil. So it's very good to take out even the hardest, like even the waterproof makeup. And for me, actually, I used to struggle quite a lot to remove all my waterproof makeup, and especially my mascara, like my eyelashes used to come off. But with this, taking the makeup off has become very easy, and you also get this tiny spatula so that you don't have to mess your hands around, and also it's hygienic as well. So you just have to scoop out little bit product, and as you guys can see, the product is quite waxy and it has got some kind of wax to it, and when you rub it onto your skin, it emulsifies into oil. So to demonstrate you guys, I have applied this Lash Paradise mascara from L'Oreal, and it is waterproof. It is very hard to take off this mascara. So I am applying this balm onto my eyes, and just मैंने अभी 1 या 2 बार rub किया, and you guys can see like all makeup is now removed. See कि मेरा पूरा मस्कारा निकल चुका है, and I am looking like a panda right now. So you can use towel or any kind of wipe. So I am just wiping off the product, and you guys can see, आप खुद देख सकते हो कि मेरा पूरा मस्कारा कितने easily निकल चुका है. Next product is there's a Glow Getter face mask, and this one costs for rupees 490, and you get total of 60 gram of the product, and ये 490 से कम में मिलेगा because 20% off है. So this is what the tub looks like, and this is all white, like thick face mask, and let me show you guys the texture. So it's quite thick, you guys can see कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा thick है, and इसको लगाने के बाद you will definitely see see a visible difference on your skin. Skin बहुत ज़्यादा bright लगती है and you feel that all your impurities are gone and बहुत ही ज़्यादा soft and supple आपकी skin feel करेगी. So this face mask has got flower extracts, chamomile flower extract and olive leaf extract and some other good extracts. Even it has got white tea, and the smell of this product is also really nice. Instantly you will feel that you are in some spa and taking some good like session. So I really like the smell. So I am going to apply this face mask, but before that let's talk about the other product. Plum's green tea night gel, and this is a very popular product of theirs, and this one costs for rupees 575 and you get 50 ml of the product. So this product has got green tea and aloe vera, so definitely it's a very good product for your skin, and I usually prefer such kind of products during night time so that I can have the product on my skin for a longer duration and it will get some good time to settle. So you guys can see like how the night cream looks. It's very thick in consistency. ये बिल्कुल ऐसे gel consistency में है, and you just have to apply 5 dots of this product and it will be absorbed so beautifully and you will feel so light and आपको instantly अपना face बहुत ज़्यादा moisturized feel होगा. And apart from that आपको ऊपर से चिपचिपा टाइप की कोई फीलिंग नहीं आएगी. So it's very comfortable to apply during night. Let's talk about this kajal. This kajal I got free from Plum, and this one retails for rupees 350, and also you get a sharpener along, which is so good. You don't have to find a separate sharpener or you don't have to invest in getting a new one. You always have a handy sharpener with you. And I have also included this kajal in one of my favorites videos, so I will link it up. Like, I am a pretty constant to this kajal, and let me swatch it so you guys can see like how buttery the texture is, and it glides on so smoothly, and it has got a very dark black color and it stays for good 5 to 6 hours on your eyes. And I'm so happy that I got this kajal free, because earlier I used to spend rupees 350 for this kajal, but now I got 20% off on the products and as well as this kajal for free. So I'm so happy. So yes, with that we come to the end of this video, and please don't forget to comment down below and let me know that what product you are going to buy from Nykaa during their hot pink sale, and also are you going to get any of these products. And according to me, if you want some good skincare, you should go and buy these products because they are truly very amazing. So yes, with that, let's roll up this video, and I hope you guys liked my video, and if you did, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. So guys, take care and be healthy, and I'll see you soon. Bye.